Denise, gusto kong ipakita sa'yo ang pinaka-importanting bagay sa buhay ko ngayon.
Ay, nako, Mac. Ano naman ang kalokohan to?
Guys,
Stop music, please. Guys, can I have your attention?
Okay.
Finally, ito na ang hinihintay na result ng lahat. Without any further ado, let's start announcing our most likeliness. First up, ang award for the couple na most likely to end up together. According to your votes, Nathan, ang nanalo ay si Josh Yones and Barbie Fortes.